In accounting and finance, some things lose value just by existing. Let's look at what defines a wasting asset. A wasting asset is any resource that has a finite life and inevitably loses value over time. Eventually, these assets hit zero. Unlike a house that might appreciate, a wasting asset is designed to be consumed or expire. From natural resources to time-sensitive legal rights, wasting assets are everywhere in business and trading. The main difference is whether the asset is consumed or holds its potential for long-term growth. This chart shows the typical path of a wasting asset, where value trends downward until it is completely exhausted. Because these assets vanish over time, investors must account for their declining value when calculating total returns. Understanding how assets lose value is key to smarter planning. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.